The way that our technology has moved, we've kind of been democratizing things, making it a lot easier for people to use technology, but that also means that it's a lot easier for bad actors and attackers to cause harm and disruption. I'm Croix. I am double majoring in mathematics and computer science. I've just always been fascinated by math and computers and wanting to put the two together.
So cybersecurity is an area that has lots of demand right now. We kind of overlooked cybersecurity for a long time. So we need to build the cybersecurity workforce. We need to bridge the gap that we currently have. My name is Feng Li. I'm the chair and professor in the Computer Information and Graphics Technology Department. The students are working on a capture of the flag event. They were working on common Wi-Fi penetration testing. This kind of hands-on activity definitely can attract their interest in the cybersecurity area. So the idea of this site is to recruit more students into graduate study in the cybersecurity area.
We live in a technology age and we need to be building more technology literacy, and it needs to stop, it needs to not be something that only the people up in the ivory towers, know about.
What we hope is we can outreach to more audience in the cybersecurity field. We hope IUPUI can become a hub of cybersecurity education and research. We have the location advantage. We're close to the state government. We're close to many of the industry in great need of cybersecurity talent here.
We're kind of severely lacking in people that are willing to go hard on defenses. I don't know, I guess I'm just trying to become the best version of myself is the goal. By the time I'm done with this, I'll have what it takes to fulfill the next stage of my life.